Hello. Welcome to the Lemurscope custom model tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to find and download free custom assets from Objaverse and have them displayed as a hologram on your Lemurscope. First, in your web browser, head over to objaverse.alanai.org. Then, on the top navigation panel, click on the Explore button. This takes you to the Objaverse Explorer, which contains millions of free 3D assets ready to be displayed. In the search field, search for a 3D model which interests you. Once you've found what you're looking for, click on the Sketchfab icon, which will take you to the page you need to download the asset. Scroll down to find the Download 3D Model link and make sure to download the GLB version of the file. Now we will need to get the 3D model file onto your Android phone, either directly or through a cloud storage provider. In this tutorial, we will be using Google Drive, but any cloud storage provider will do. We will upload the file we just downloaded onto our Google Drive by dragging it into the screen. Once the file has been uploaded, we can now download it onto our Android phone using Google Drive. Navigate to the location you've saved the file on Google Drive and select Download from the drop-down menu. Now let's make sure you have the Lemurscope application installed on your Android device. Go to the Google Play Store and look up Lemurscope and install the application. In the Lemurscope app, select the custom model icon at the bottom of the screen and use the media picker to load the 3D asset you've downloaded onto your device. And that's it. You've successfully loaded a custom 3D asset onto your Lemurscope. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and updates on the latest in 3D holographic technology. See you next time.